Nice. So you need half a lemon. You see that? Get that lemon juice into it, guys, all right? Now, I'm gonna say something to you. This is something where you guys gonna love. Pour it out into another cup like this. And then you want some good olive oil, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. All right. Then next you need a pinch of cayenne pepper. Nice. Then what you want to do, pour it into this right here. Wow, I've been doing this over the last couple of days. All right. Once you do that, what I normally do is top it up with a little extra olive oil, to be honest with you. Cheers. This is amazing. All right, as you can see, I'm gonna take this one to show you. Very good to take on an empty stomach. First thing in the morning. Okay? Before your breakfast, please enjoy it. Very good for the liver and very good for the bowel. See you the next time.